everyone, Rachel here. Welcome back to Travels of a Single Lady. I hope you all had an amazing Christmas and are looking forward to a really good New Year's Eve. Welcome back to part 3 of my P&O Britannia Fjords cruise round. We started in Stavanger, we went to Flam, then Olden, then Bergen. This episode is all about Stavanger. And I'll admit, it wasn't my favourite port of the cruise. It was a good start to port. I didn't do any excursions, I did everything myself. So I got up early. As you'll see from the footage, I went for a wander round and I was back on board by lunchtime. So sit back, relax, enjoy, and I will see you the other side of Stavanger. I am absolutely shattered. I didn't get to bed till midnight last night. There we go. We're spinning round. Mine. You docked yet? No, not yet. We're still coming in. Mine's shift 4 is in today.
Yeah, that's on the other side. We on the other side, yeah.
I'm pretty sure we followed someone else in as well, but I'm not sure who. So we're in beautiful, sunny Stavanger today. Mine shift 4 is also in. It is really, really warm. It's a little bit chilly out on the open decks, but it's probably colder inside where there's air conditioning. I've just had my eyelashes done now, and I am gonna go for a wander around. I'm gonna go and try and find the old town if I can. Go for a walk and take you with me. I am off to go and explore. I'm going to go and find the old town. At first I wasn't sure how far I'd have to go, but after going to the buffet, it's literally outside the dock. So I'm going to go and have a wander around and I'm going to take you with me. Here we go. Down the stairs, but it gets your steps in. There's one big boat. Stavanger in a minute. It was all back on board by 4:30. It is now 3 minutes to 5. The captain has just been on to say that we'll be leaving. Feels like we might already be moving a little bit. I could be wrong. So mine shift 4 was in today. She delayed us getting in on time, and now we're leaving before her anyway. This is looking forward so you can see the bridge. Yeah. Don't know if you can see the captain or one of the officers in the bridge from there. So we're going to sail out now. We're expected to be in Flam really early in the morning. I think he said about 7 o'clock. But Stavanger has been lovely. It's been a really, really nice day. It's been really hot. I went out for a wander earlier on. I didn't end up doing the old town. I took a couple of pictures of the old town from the ship. I've actually just woken up from my afternoon nap. I most definitely needed that today. And tea tonight's going to be good. So tonight I've got lamb leg steak. And pudding is layered chocolate molten cake, which will be amazing. Chocolate and Grand Marnier tart last night was amazing. Lunch today was pretty good as well, actually. Once I got back on board the ship, I went straight up to the buffet, and I had chicken curry. I must admit, you definitely eat well on a cruise ship, but you also walk it off. I did my 10,000 steps yesterday. Sail outs are very long processes. They take a long time for all the manoeuvres that need to be done. Everyone, me again. Thanks for watching today, and I hope you enjoyed my trip around Stavanger. I didn't really do a lot, as I said in the beginning. I spent a lot of time walking. I had a lot more footage as well, but it was literally all me walking. I filmed everything within the Stavanger Maritime Museum, but there was so much there. It was so interesting. I think your best bet is to actually go and visit it yourself. After that, I went up through the market, which was lovely, and the little church at the top of the hill. There was a funny story behind that. Well, not really a funny story, but I was taking a photograph outside the church without realising there was a lot of people stood in black outside. Turns out there was a funeral going on, and also there were fire engines and police cars just next to the church. So once I'd taken the photograph and then realised that it was a funeral, I thought, oh, it's a service person funeral. Turns out a crane had fallen and crushed a van. A couple of the people that were on board Britannia with me were sat just down from it. Luckily, nobody was injured, but it was the talk of the ship that evening, I can assure you of that. So again, thank you for coming today, and thank you for watching. If you want to see more of this, like, comment, subscribe, press the notification bell for more. I'll be back in a fortnight where we will be visiting Flam. That was the day, so the ship came in at 7 AM and my tour was at 7:30. And for those of you that know me, know I am not an early riser, or not a very good early riser either. So come back to see that, and I look forward to seeing you in 2 weeks. Have a good new year, everyone, and I'll see you next time. Bye.